Closing the green finance gap in the context of a green energy transition, policy recommendation and economic implication. The topic has been addressed with the Green Investment Barrier Model, GIBM. This model is tailored to explore and evaluate first policies or measures that contribute to scale up green finance into energy infrastructure in the context of a low-carbon transition, and secondly, the socio-economic and macroeconomic consequences of different centralized low-carbon energy transition futures of the UK. The model includes the typical macroeconomic sectors as well as a simplified representation of the energy supply sector. It also represents the green finance gap as well as key green investment barriers. The model is calibrated to the UK context and includes the most recent available data. The Green Investment Barrier Model is a system dynamics model that also includes information from a systematic literature review and interviews with investors and investment experts. System dynamics models use as well econometrics or parameters that are econometrically estimated in other studies, as well as qualitative information. The model is also validated with past data. This presents an overview on the Green Investment Barrier Model, and the insights from the qualitative investigation on the green finance gap are published in this study. This slide shows some results as well as from the tested scenarios of the Green Investment Barrier Model. The first scenario is a scenario that just increases renewable energy production by assumptions, whereas the second scenario is a so-called finance systems policy scenario, which describes a system policy that tackles key green investment barriers in a systematic way. And the results show that the two scenarios in combination achieve the best results. As such, the conclusion is drawn that the combined application of the two policy scenarios is recommended because it achieves on the one side better socio-economic benefits such as lower unemployment and energy system costs, as well as macroeconomic benefits such as higher GDP. This is published in more detail in those two articles.